Practice questions. 1. The following information relates to the annual membership subscriptions of a cricket club for the year ended December 31st. Cash received during the year for subscriptions totaled $81,000. Which amount should be shown in the income and expenditure account for membership subscriptions? 2. During the year ended December 31, 2001, the XY Sports Club received $10,860 for subscriptions. The following further information is available. What is the figure for subscriptions in the income and expenditure account for the year ended December 31, 2001? 3. The information relates to the subscriptions of a club. Cash received during the year was $3,750. What was the subscription income for the year? 4. A club provides the following information relating to members' subscriptions. What amount for subscriptions will be entered in the income and expenditure account for the year ended December 31, 2004? Get complete notes in PDF and book form from our Amazon store. Link given in description.